Hey there traders, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist for FX Explained, and here we're going to take a look at the pound against the US dollar, GBPUSD. That's the cable spot FX rate. Well, the market in here in turbulent times more recently through mid-March over the last 1 to 2 weeks, a plunge lower, particularly aggressive in here last week, and that being primarily due to US dollar strength in here, a thirst for the US dollar. Please do check out our article on the US dollar strength that we've published in here over the past few days in here. You can see the link in the report below, but the US dollar strength starting to fade in here, starting to recede, and that's because there's less of this thirst for dollars in here. The commodities markets, the equity markets having rebounded, easing credit concerns in here, and an easing thirst for US dollars in here. Also central banks in here intervening to help out in the credit markets. All of these things in here have seen the US dollar strength we saw receding against most currencies, pretty much all currencies apart from really the Japanese yen, dollar yen continuing to be relatively strong. But across the board in here, the dollar setting back from its recent surging gains in here, and that's allowed the pound to rebound as well. Remember, the pound got particularly aggressively beat up in here against the US dollar, plunging down through Brexit lows, plunging to its lowest level here at 114.10 since 1985, but starting to rebound from there. And we do see a small base forming in here, do see upside risk today, 118.58, 119.33, maybe even getting back to a 120 big figure in here going into the next 24, 48 hours, and potentially even higher than that. Only back down through 117.42 in here signals a more negative tone. So broad US dollar strength starting to recede, and that's allowing markets, other currencies, to recover against the dollar. And here we're focusing on the pound and a better performance potentially going into the balance of this week. This has been Steve Miley for FX Explained. Please do follow our FX Explained YouTube channel. You can take a look at the reports in here from Market Chartist as well. Please do take a look, take a free trial at marketchartist.com. You can also find the link on the FX Explained page. I'll be back with you soon. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and have a great trading day.